redo.
Right, you've been to the high street, you've bought yourself a replacement key, you get it home, get it in the lock, hey presto, it doesn't work. Chances are you've been to the shop, they've had loads and loads of keys coming through, they haven't calibrated the machine, or they've rushed it. So what we can do at Cannock Keys is we will get the key that works on site, we will stick it onto our machine and we'll make sure that we cut it correctly. We put it onto the machine, ensuring that it's level and it's going to cut. We check that it's on correctly. It takes seconds. And that one, what we do while we're on site is we actually put it in the lock to show you that it works before we leave. It's as easy as that. Exactly the same with our mortise keys. Show you that the key works. I set up a key on the mortise saw ready to go. So we get the original, we'll place it onto the machine, and what we'll do is we'll cut it. It is quite noisy, however take the cut key off, get rid of all the burrs, put it into our lock. Hey presto, it works. If you come to Cannock Keys, you can guarantee that every key that we cut works in the locks in your house. Many thanks.